Hi, guest chef. How are you?
Can you wave to him?
Hi, guest chef.
Oh. I know who you're talking to.
That's right. That's right. We're using 4 eggs, guest chef. Yes. That's right. We're making banana bread. Ain't that right, guest chef?
So now we need baking powder. We need baking soda.
Well, can I put the baking soda in?
And what is the difference between baking soda and baking powder?
I have no idea.
We have no idea, but we are going to Google Alton Brown and find out.
Alton? They're both powder.
No.
They're both of bacon.
Well, I think one of
Good. Yeah. Good observance.
One of them I think makes your whatever you cooking harder or more something. Don't give me the line, sir.
More consistent.
Yeah. So we have our flour. We need a teaspoon of salt.
We already did our butter. We already did our baking soda.
Eggs. Yes, chef. What's the matter? Are they doing something wrong? Is that your frustration? Okay. You
2
said
teaspoons
no.
of baking soda, a cup of butter. Now we need the most important thing.
Banana.
We can't have banana bread and actually think it's going to be tasty if there's no sugar.
Of course.
So,
Banana.
sugar. You need 2 cups of sugar.
2 cups of sugar.
What's up, y'all? I want to put the bananas in. What's up, y'all? Then I want to mix it up. Mom, do you want me to get some more for snacks?
No.
He's fine.
So that's 1 cup.
Mamadita, la la, ja ja ja.
Ooh.
Mamadita, cha cha cha.
Ah. Yay! Bam!
Can I start with?
This is not emerald.
Okay.
So we have sugar, we have eggs, we have salt, we have baking soda, we have butter. All we need now is like bananas.
And walnut.
Wham ham!
Come on.
Hi, guest chef. Hi.
Mommy.
Okay.
So now we've added our bananas. It looks like applesauce. It smells like who?
Not so pleasant right now, but once we get it baking, it'll be
It
smelling
smells like heaven.
good. In a glass.